Parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun. A word used for naming anything is called a noun. Example: student, car, Bangalore, beauty, man, rose. In short, noun names person, place, thing, idea. Pronoun. A word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Example: he, she, it, they, me, them. In short, pronoun replaces a noun, pronoun. Adjective. A word used to qualify a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. It adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Example: a big house, black shoes, a hot drink, a paper bag. In short, adjective describes noun, pronoun. Verb. A word used to express an action, an event, or a state is called a verb. Example: she speaks English. I can swim. The boys are playing. In short, verb expresses action, state of being, linking. Adverb. A word used to tell more about verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs is called adverb. Example: they work slowly. She writes neatly. The boy sings well. In short, adverb describes adverbs, adjectives, verbs. Preposition. A word used with a noun or pronoun to indicate the relation with something else. Preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun which is the object of the sentence. Example: the pencil is inside the box. The boy sat under the tree. In short, preposition relates a noun, pronoun to another word in a sentence. Location, time, comparison. Conjunction. A word used to join words or sentences together is called a conjunction. Example: Bobbin and Molly are good players. He is poor, but he is honest. In short, conjunction joins words or groups of words in a sentence. Interjection. A word expressing some sudden feelings of the mind is called an interjection. Example: oh, that is terrible. Wow, what a wonderful catch. In short, interjection expresses sudden strong feelings.